Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Launch Technologies e-commerce department. Today I'm going to introduce the CRP123 V3 to you. This is an improved version of our CRP123 V2. You can see that the appearance of the machine is basically the same as the previous version. The main upgrades are in the connection cable and the software supports. Now, let's compare the cables of the new and old version. The original cable uses an DC power supply interface, where the new version uses an Type-C interface for power supply and combine it with the OBD connection cable into one cable. Another major change is the software support upgrade. We need to conduct a real test to see this part. So now let's move on to the real test and take a look at the special software interface.